Hey guys, I've gotten into my first big boy mod here on the Tivo Tarantula, and I figured I'd go ahead and share it with you. The reason I found this out is because I do it professionally, and it's kind of a crazy thing. But if you got access to a mill, then it's awesome and it's very beneficial. But I'll show you what I've done here, and there's holes going both ways, and that's not good. I milled a hole in the top, but this isn't your standard 2040. It's a little different. It's just, this is heavy material, which means it has a perfect circle. You'll see most extrusion has like a star pattern going through it. But anyways, so I milled a hole in it, and that's so this bushing can go in there. And what happens with this bushing, let me focus this camera, is there's a hole in it. And it's going to slot in there, and there's a set screw in the top. It looks just like that. It's pointed on one end, and it's going to be going down, obviously. And what you do is you put this in your milled hole here, and now you've got a hole through the side. And I actually had to drill out these holes too, because they were only like 4 millimeters, so I had to drill them up to 6 millimeters so I can fit this anchor in here. So what's going to happen is, this out, your anchor has this cavity in the top, and it's going to slide into your bushing. You'll tighten the set screw down, and it will lock and take place. And I'll show you exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, and you can see as I turn it, it sucks in that piece, even though I'm pulling it out. So I gotta pull it back out once I loosen it. But that's because that set screw is going down into that cavity and causing it to tighten there. And this is by far the heaviest duty method I've seen to secure these things. When you slide it on there, I mean, it's not going anywhere, and you don't need brackets. And you can really crank these suckers down, man. And I mean, it's so tight, you can't, there's no way you can move that. And it's just a cool mod. It's called a connector and bushing, an anchor and bushing piece. If you have access to a mill and a drill, it's a great mod for structural support, and there's no exterior clamp or anything. There's just that bushing there, the only thing that's visible to the eye. And it creates a superior flushness too, because it draws from the inside. Just a cool mod I came across. I actually went into the shop yesterday, and milled out my pieces so I could upgrade my tarantula. So thanks guys.